Are you tired of using bloated WordPress themes that slow your site down and require a dozen plugins just to function? Meet Nexter, the ultimate lightweight WordPress theme and block toolkit that helps you build powerful, fast-loading websites, all in one place. With Nexter, you get over 90 advanced Gutenberg blocks, more than 1,000 pre-built templates, and built-in features like pop-ups, mega menus, custom post types, login systems, and dynamic content, without needing extra plugins. It's perfect for freelancers, agencies, marketers, or anyone who wants to design beautiful, responsive websites without coding. And the best part? It's completely jQuery free, which means faster load times and better SEO right out of the box. Need to manage multiple client sites? Nexter's white label and multi-site support lets you rebrand and control everything from one dashboard. No more plugin conflicts, no more slowdowns, just clean, high-performing websites every time. Right now, you can get lifetime access to Nexter on AppSumo starting at just $39. No monthly fees, no recurring costs. Just pure power for life. So if you're ready to ditch the clutter and build smarter, faster WordPress sites, grab Nexter today, only on AppSumo.